Hi, good morning everyone. This is Bhuwana Vasistha from Cadnast Baswanagudi. Welcome to our Cadnast YouTube channel. So, in yesterday's session, we have already learnt about 5 points. So, today, let's continue from there. About finding your passion and purpose. In today's session, let's discuss about 6th topic. 6th point. Do more of what you love. So, from your favorite cup of coffee in the morning to girls' night out, do more the things that brings you joy. Begin a journaling practice. Keep a journal each day of your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Each week, read back what you learned. 8th point is network with like-minded people. Join meetup groups or local community groups with similar interests as yourself. Book clubs, running clubs, writing groups, etc. Embrace a mindfulness practice. Start journaling, meditating, take a yoga class or take nature walks. Start a daily practice of sitting still and calming your mind. 10th point is have fun. Discovering your passion and purpose should be fun. When you find your true passion and purpose, you will never work another day in your life. So, let's discuss in depth one after the other. Do more of what you love. It is time to start filling your days with all of the things that you absolutely love to do. Starting once you wake up until you go to bed, dilute your life with what you love. And you will stop focusing on the things you are tolerating. And your passions will be right there in front of you. You will also make room for new opportunities. 7th point is begin a journaling practice. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, dreams is so powerful. It is the perfect way to face your fears so they lose power. Uncover what you love about yourself, what you don't love about your life, and what you truly want. Start writing for 5 minutes a day and build up to 30 minutes. You will be amazed at what you discover about yourself and what you want your life to look like. 8th point is network with like-minded people. Start engaging with the people with similar interests. Meeting new people not only adds more fun to our lives, but you will start to go deeper into your interest. New opportunities will present themselves and you will once again learn so much about yourself. Join a meetup group, a running club, a writing club, a book club, etc. and have fun. Embrace a mindfulness practice. It is time to quiet your mind and tune out the noise, thoughts, worries, and to-do list. Find a practice that works best for you. Writing, meditation, nature walks, whatever works for you, make sure you do it every day. When you can quiet your mind, your brain has the chance to sift through everything. Shift from a creative mode to thoughtful mode, and you will start to realize what is truly at your heart center. When we live so much in our mind, we lose sight of what is really important to our bigger picture. Make this a priority and your learn should be much about yourself. At last, have fun. Nothing is more important than enjoying life. Life should be a majority joy with a few tough times mixed in. It is time to have fun. Explore things you have always wanted to do. Meet new people, spend time with yourself, make this journey about you and all you want to get out of it. While you are having fun, your true passions and purpose will present themselves to you. Fun is the key to everything. It gets you out of your head and into your heart. And most importantly, once you dilute your life with your passions, what you are meant to do, you will never again feel like you are working. So, With this, I'm completing my session here. Thank you all.